everyone, this is Jay Harris coming to you from Tom's Trading Room. You might remember back in June I did a video called Start to Finish with Darknet. But what we're going to do now is bring back up the Darknet, but we're going to add in or blend that with Japanese candlesticks, specifically bullish Japanese candlestick reversal patterns. Now, if you read up on Japanese candlesticks, almost everyone that's teaching you and showing you education on these, and there's a ton of information out there on the internet that I encourage you guys to go hunt down and find. They're going to tell you that Japanese candlesticks are nice in and of themselves, but they're best used when you blend them with Western technicals. So let's get into this. Japanese candlesticks have become very popular. They are used by many people, and you can see an example of 5 patterns that I'm going to focus on during the course of this presentation here. Now, when I say use them, I have to clarify here. There's a difference between what we feel is where people are using them and where they just have them up on their charts. So when Tom and I and the rest of the team, we used to go around the country teaching these live webinars, we would see a lot of people with the candlestick charts up on their laptops. And we'd ask them, how many of you guys are using Japanese candlesticks? And everybody that had them up on their laptops obviously would raise their hand. And many others in the room that didn't have their laptops would also raise their hand. And we would say, okay, but how many of you guys are using them? What patterns are you trading? Are you trading a 2-day pattern or a 3-day pattern? And then the hands start going down, because they didn't know there was a 2-day and a 3-day pattern. They just know that they liked the way the candlesticks looked, and they were nicer looking than the open, high, low, close bars, so they had them up on their laptops. So we go into it a little bit further, and we would teach them that there are continuation patterns and there are reversal patterns. What we're going to focus on is the reversal patterns. Here are the 5 we're going to focus on. These are bullish reversal patterns: a bullish engulfing line, bullish harami, kicker, piercing line, and a morning star reversal. Now, there are other patterns for bearish moves. There are bearish reversal patterns as well. But Darknet, as you remember, is a bullish scan. It's looking for stocks in uptrends or stocks that have retraced a little bit or come off a little bit of a downtrend and are testing the support of multiple time frame trend channels. So when the stock hits the support of multiple time frame trend channels and also has a bullish candle reversal pattern, that's where we like to pin our ears back and go at these trades. So again, Japanese candlesticks are great, but best used with Western technicals such as support resistance, moving average crossovers, MACDs, etc. The Western technical, again, we're going to focus in is the Darknet signals. Let me ask you real quick though, what type of pattern is this? This is a 2-day Japanese candlestick pattern. It's a potential bullish reversal pattern. What is it called? Well, here's a bullish day indicated by the green day from the open to the close, and that open to close is inside the open to the close of the previous day. Now, this is a red bar, and the open is higher than the close. The close is down here around 315.5, where it opened up around 323. But the range of the open to close on the current day is inside the previous bearish days open to close. This is what Western technicals call an inside day. This, you may have answered it by now. You're calling it a bullish harami. Well, let's take a look. There's the bullish harami formation, where there's an inside day. That bullish day is inside the bearish day. Both those 2 candlesticks would look like a bullish harami. And if you say bullish, you're indicating that you're expecting a higher or upward price move. Why did it trend down? It did not come through as that formation looks like. Well, because it's not really a harami pattern. Are we in an uptrend or a downtrend? We are in an uptrend. We have the bullish harami formation, but we can't really call it a bullish harami signal because the bullish candle reversal formation is happening at the top or at a resistance level, and that invalidates it. If you're looking for a reversal, you're looking for it to go opposite the current trend. Well, the current trend is up. If you're going to go opposite of the uptrend, you're looking for a bearish reversal. So this bullish reversal at a top or at a resistance makes it an invalid bullish reversal pattern. What you would look for is bullish continuation patterns up here. Take a look at this. Here's 2 patterns. Again, 2-day patterns that are bullish reversal patterns. This one, farthest to the left, that's a bullish engulfing pattern where the open to close, that candle body engulfs the previous day's bearish body. And you see that bullish reversal off that support around 280. So there's a support and resistance with the bullish candle reversal on support. which gives a little bit more credence, and it had a nice upward move. Here's a piercing pattern. We'd like that piercing pattern to be 50% or more of that body. It doesn't always work that way, but that's technically a piercing pattern, that bullish day pierces that body of the previous bearish day. And that also happened at that 280 support area, and it had a nice bounce from there. So where the pattern happens, where the reversal pattern happens, is just as important, if not more in some respects, as the pattern construction itself. So what we want and what we need are bullish reversals from support. And a Darknet B or bullish signal is a potential support area in an uptrend. Now I'm going to show you a couple of charts here where it doesn't look like it's in an uptrend because I zoomed in on the pattern and I didn't give you the full broader scope of days. But when we get the bullish signal, you're going to see a Darknet B on Tom's tools. That's the bullish signal. And then what we're looking for is there a bullish candle reversal pattern that bullish signal from Darknet is also a part of. So that's what we're going to zoom over to the tools and take a look at here. Alrighty, here we are on Tom's options tools. I have the date set for September 28th. We would go to Home, Tom's tools, and then find the panel that has the Darknet Signals icon, or we can just go straight down to the Darknet Signals line item and click to enter that, and you come to this page. So on this search box here with all of this criteria, you'll see that normally you have just the stock trades or stock lists, only no trades. What you want to do is click on the trade type displayed, select the bullish candle reversal call option trades. So we're not only looking for stocks that have a Darknet bullish signal, are also part of a bullish candlestick reversal pattern, and we want to then see if there's a call option trade on that. And this scan will find those. It will have number of past days displayed 4. It'll leave that there or change it to 4 if yours is not already done so. And we're just looking at a chart over the past 40 days. And the option choice that we're looking for has a 1% slippage. So we're looking for tight liquidity there based off slippage. When we run the results, this is the list that we get. Now, if I went back up and I selected just the call option trades and clicked search, you will see that we have 10 Darknet signals there for the day. And the type is R's and B's. R is a reiteration of the bullish signal and B is the bullish signal. And we're going to condense that. So another thing that this Darknet plus Japanese bullish candlestick reversal patterns does is it condenses the number of trades that you have to research or stocks that you have to research. So we went from 10 on this day by selecting the trade type displayed down to bull candle reversal call option trades and click search. We went from 10 down to 4. Now, if you click on the ticker symbol, we don't mess with the power shares. Let's just go to the stocks. PFE, click on the symbol, and it superimposes the chart on top of your list. And you can see the Darknet signals. There's an R for a reiteration of the bullish signal. And then what you're seeing here is the 2-day bullish candle reversal pattern. And it's coded BE, bullish engulfing. That bullish day engulfs the previous bearish day. And it's happening off a double bottom support, but that's not the key. The key is the Darknet signal, the reiteration of the bullish signal, and a bullish engulfing pattern. Both Darknet and Japanese candlesticks give us an indication that this could be a nice little setup. So if you want to get rid of that chart, left click to make it disappear. I've got another chart here that shows you this is today's date of the filming, 10/19, when we're doing this recording. And so here's the chart from the bullish engulfing to where it is at the time of this video recording. Nice little 36 to 38.5. That's a nice little 2.5 point move. You could probably find a leverage option trade and make some good money there. Let's go back and let's look at HOG, Harley Davidson, HOG. Okay, again, I have it blown in over 40 days. I don't have the longer term taken care of there for you or in view, but here's a downdraft and a B for a bullish signal from the Darknet. And then we have boxed in BK, bullish kicker. It's where that bullish day has kicked away or gapped up or gapped away from that previous bearish day. That gap is what the Japanese call a window. So we've got an open window now. But right now, the pattern is we've blended both Darknet, bullish candle reversal pattern, which is a bullish kicker. And this is where we would consider an opportunity to take this stock or an option trade on it. You can use a technical stop as that previous pivot point now, the bottom or either the bottom of the body or the bottom of the shadow of the Japanese candlestick reversal pattern. But if you're going to go long, let's take a look at how that fared out. Here's an updated chart from the time of this video recording. There's your bullish kicker pattern right there, along with that Darknet B bullish, and it was a nice run of about 5.5 points there. All right, so you can go into our tools, and if you go up to stock, you go to stock rankers, and you go down to candlestick dojis or candlestick stars. You're going to open up, this is the candlestick dojis page, and you'll see the different wizards and searches and scans that it's doing the lookout for. Here's the different patterns that we're looking for. And on the Japanese Candlestick stars, here's the wizards or the scans that we're looking for, and the 2 and 3 day patterns that we have coded into the tools to find. And then on each, you have a help file. You click on the help file, and you can go and read up on these candlestick dojis and stars, find the different wizards. Here's the different patterns that we're looking for and what they signify. All right. So again, back to the tools, folks. You go back and let's go ahead and click on that chart and get rid of it. Whatever day you're on, current day, you're going to go to Home and Darknet Signals. You're going to come to this page. You're going to left click on the trade type displayed to bull candle reversal call option trades. Make sure it's a look back of 4 days. And the reason we're doing a look back of 4 days is because we're looking for 2 and 3 day patterns. If we do just today, we're not going to get the full 2 or 3 day patterns. So we set it back to 4 to be able to bring in and capture those that qualify at either of those bullish candle reversal patterns. So that's a way to kind of condense the number of candidates that you're looking for, blend Western and technical indicators, so that you're using the power of Darknet and you're using the power of bullish candle reversal patterns stacked on top of each other for what we're anticipating is higher probability and more fruitful trades. So I hope you enjoyed that. We'll see you on the next video. Bye for now.